All right, Mike, I got your transistors out. Same lot. All right. Try to do all this on camera for you. Unknown or damaged part. All right. Set that down right there. Get the other one. Oops. Unknown or damaged part. So yeah, my suspicions are correct. These transistors are dead. At least they're not 2879s. They'd be about $400 and something a piece. But all right. So I'll go ahead and drop in some SD 1446s for you. All right, Mike. Just a little update. Before I put the new transistors in, I pulled off the heatsink from the board, and I'm going to clean this area up just so it's nice and smooth and ready to go for the new transistors, and they make good contact with the heatsink. And also, here's your new power wire. It's about a foot, a little bit bigger than what you had before. And then this right here, the hot lead that has the choke on it that goes to your output transformer, I'm going to put a little bit bigger wire on here. And see what else. There's something else I was gonna do for you. Oh, I was gonna put a snubbing diode on the relay since there isn't one there, and there should be one, so I'm gonna do that for you. And then once the transistors are installed, I'll put it on the bench and show you what it's doing on the watt meter and spectrum analyzer. All right, Mike, your amplifier is done. Of course, we changed out your Toshiba 2290s, purchased a match set from RF Parts. Let's go down the list. Number one, I upgraded your power wire just a little bit bigger. I upgraded the hot lead on the choke here, a little bit bigger wire. I added a snubbing diode on the coil side of the relay. I upgraded the pass-through wires, just a little bit bigger than what they were. You got your blue LED, replaced the broken red one. And also, I noticed that talking on the radio a little bit, I turned on the spectrum analyzer, and there was some spurs. And you got about 500 puff on the output transformer right here. And I added another 180 puff just to bring those spurs down. They dropped quite a bit, but there's still a little bit there, but nothing to be concerned about. So I have it hooked up to my switching power supply. Should offer plenty of amperage to run the amp. Yes, I am using a striker here, but the radio is turned way down. I'll show you what it's keying. So less than a watt. So less than a watt is going into it, dead key, right? This meter here is that's a 5-watt slogan reverse to show the pass through. But let's audio. All right, so about 26 watts passing through the amp. Audio. And that's a 5-watt slogan reverse. All right. So let's show you the radio. the principle. So we're from 0 to 100 megahertz. This is the radio. All right. So we'll turn the amp on. We're on low. So this is a reflect going into the amp. 5-watt slug in reverse. So about 10 watt carrier on low. So there's a little spur over there, but they were a lot bigger before I added capacitance to the output transformer. Oh. If you see, they kind of go away as you modulate. I guess because the amp is becoming more resonant, the more power you drive into it. I don't know. All right. We're on high now. All right. So it keys up about 20 watts. So about 20 watts on high. Input tune on the amp, same thing, 5-watt slug in reverse. Audio. All right. So this is what she's doing for average power. So about a 20-watt carrier. Audio. And this isn't a hot smoking radio, so not a whole lot of average power. Audio. 1 2 1 2. Audio. So about 200 watts PEP. Spectrum analyzer again. Audio. So she's working. Nothing's overheating. Flybacks are staying nice and cool. Everything's nice and cool, man. She's working real good. Appreciate your business, and I hope you enjoy it.